Definitely the highlight of SEMA so far.
Yeah.
I'm
Fake
gonna
F40.
I'm about to say I'm going to be made.
TJ Hunt, you outdid yourself, brother.
Yeah. What's up? It's day 2. Let's go walk around.
There's something about a full carbon car.
Yeah, right. It's so nice. I like the frozen carbon too on the hood. And all the weaves match up perfect. Except for the front bumper, actually. Look at that. It doesn't match the fender.
No, horizontal to diagonal. It's a little nitpicky, come on.
I mean, if I'm going to spend $4 million for a car, I want it to be perfect.
True. 6x6.
Yeah. Cool wrap. Now that's cool. I wonder if those are real hundreds right there.
All the $100 bills in the back.
It's a split window like yours.
Yeah. Yeah. I wonder if I was. Interesting.
Which wins in a race?
Out of these two,
Not-
probably the one with the slicks. Unless they're just for show.
I don't think it's for show.
Probably not.
What a coincidence.
We had to order it. Couldn't help myself. Looks pretty good too. By the way, go check out the last video we filmed about the Firebird. We completely rebuilt the subframe, painted it, got it all ready for the new engine. So if you missed it, go check it out.
That thing had way more to go.
Yeah, he was barely.
I was about to say it had way more.
Well, he's just babying. Real Traxxas right here. Something big and supercar. Don't have them anymore.
Yeah.
That's cool, even with the
For
light
over $1,300.
That's crazy.
Even got the dude in it.
That's funny.
What are your thoughts on the rims on this Corvette?
They're kind of cool. Probably wouldn't be my choice, but
Respectfully?
I don't know. Maybe if they were a bit smaller but had the same design, I could see it.
Yeah.
Oh no, maybe not. That's the same subframe as mine. You see the wonky.
It's too modern.
It's like a weird style, like with no roof at all, and it's not even a convertible.
Yeah. I think this is a nice, these are both nice Corvettes. Oh my God. I like that a lot.
Both of them are good.
I don't want to like critique too much, but I think that might look better with chrome rims.
Yeah, this one, yeah, for sure.
But I love the navy blue and the cream yellow.
Yeah, so vintage and works perfect together.
Yeah.
Oh, this one's a split window too.
This is clean.
Oh my.
Oh, look at this sled.
How do you even turn on
I mean,
the thing?
that's a boat. That's not a bike. You take any slight turn, you're grounding out.
Yeah.
I mean, what you tell me what's the difference between this bike and this boat? What's the difference?
Nothing.
Hey, it's the same.
Exactly. Oh my god.
Dude, just as we're talking about that other bike, you walk around a corner and you see this. I mean, this puts it to shame.
It's wild.
Look at the size
It looks
of
comfy
this.
though.
I mean, I drive a 4Runner. That's bigger than what I have.
Yeah, for sure.
Like, uh-oh. Uh-oh.
You see what I see?
Uh-oh. What was it about the 40s?
What was it about 40? Something about them?
Something about those 40s. Oh my God. This is the greatest car ever to be made. Just simply gorgeous.
355 chassis, F355 engine, gearbox.
Oh wow.
F40 all-in carbon body.
Okay.
And all the modern turbo tech. Under high boost, your turbos go glow red, so you can see your black stallions go red stallions.
Okay.
Oh man.
Oh, that's sick.
Function designed it so that the rear subframe separates easily from the main chassis.
All right, that was definitely the highlight of SEMA so far.
Yeah.
I'm gonna
fake F40.
I'm about to say I'm gonna go out on a limb. It's cool. I would prefer it to be like completely OG,
Yeah,
but
you couldn't
To-
even tell until you
I'm about to
said
say
something. Yeah.
exactly. It was difficult to tell,
Yeah.
and the fact that you just increase its performance that
Now
much,
You can actually go have fun and not have to worry about ruining your multi-million-dollar F40.
Right.
Even though that thing probably is worth multi-million-dollar.
it's probably still I'm sure Ferrari's not happy with them, but
What are they gonna do?
what are you gonna do?
This is crazy. It's cool to see how they start,
Yeah.
and then that body is probably gonna go on it.
Uh-huh. TJ Hunt, yeah, did yourself, brother.
Yeah, it's really perfect. And you nailed the ride height this time too. So good. I like the lights in the bumper seat.
Same.